What's up, everybody? It's your crypto bro, and I'm back with a hot trade alert. Jupiter's not just a planet, it's a crypto, and it's about to launch into outer space. You don't want to miss this one. Are you ready? Let's go. Hey, I'm Scott, and I've been a pro trader for 10 years. In these videos, I'm going to teach you everything I've learned so you don't have to learn the hard way. Remember to follow and share the channel, and also have your alerts on because I'm going to give you a lot of updates and you want to be the first to know. Taking a look at the hottest altcoins right now, it might surprise you that when we do a scan of the hottest movers, you don't see Jup on this list. But stick with me here. Here's why. I've already given trade alerts on a lot of these and they're already way up right now. So let's go off the beaten path. For example, MYX Finance is up 1,200%. That was actually on my X at Crypto Bro Alerts. WorldCoin is already up 100%. That was a trade alert inside the FFA, and I just did a video on that one. Memecore is on my X. Also, SPX 6900, I gave a trade alert for that a while back. That one's way up. The list goes on and on. Dogecoin. So let's dive into something that's not pumped yet, okay? We're gonna look at Jup today. Now, Jupiter, ranked number 62 by market cap at 1.6 billion, is off the radar. Most people are not even looking at this, all right? But this one's about to skyrocket. It's gonna give us a setup. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. However, when you take a look at Jupiter, this is basically a player in DeFi, all right? We're getting an uptick in DeFi right now. And it has a Solana ecosystem, all right? So that's a good thing. Solana's way up. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna dive into the chart. Let me show you what I'm seeing on Jupiter right now. Now, when you look at Jup, one of the things you'll notice is it's in one of these giant downtrending triangle patterns, all right? This is just a super popular and common pattern. And what you'll see is, you know, it puts in a high, another high, another high, another high, and then it's put in this high against the 50. But it's like a powder keg waiting to explode. But there are a few catalysts that we need.
Stay ahead of the game with real-time trade alerts. Hit subscribe and turn the notifications on so you're always the first to know about the latest stock and crypto moves. Your financial freedom is just one click away. Let's crush those gains together.
For one, we need a double bottom. Right here, we have bottom one, bottom two. That is a bottoming pattern on bullish divergence. RSI made a slightly higher high and price made an equal high, indicating a reverse is likely. All right, now we're getting that reversal. Also, we have SRSI up over the 50 level. That's bullish. All right, so what you want to see next, you see this yellow MA and the pink MA. That's the 9 and the 21 curling up under price, all right? Usually it pushes it higher. So what you want to see is an explosion up to 75 cents and ideally a break above 75 and a hold. So let me show you what something like that would look like if you're going to take a trade on Jupiter, all right? So you want to manage your risk, and I'll show you exactly how. So when you look at a trade alert like this, you want the risk to be very minimal, all right? You can do a tight stop. Again, not financial advice, but manage your risk. The low here is around 42 cents, all right? So if Bitcoin crashes for some reason, you might get a pullback to 42 cents or even a deeper pull to 31 cents, which would be a good long setup, quite frankly, all right? If you don't get that and Bitcoin pumps, if you're long now against about this 48 level, you can just manage your stop loss, okay? And you can expect a move at the very least back up to this $1.53 level, okay? So this is your reward, this is your risk. Now, if you want to learn how to trade, we teach that inside the FFA. The link's in the description, or at least get on the free email list and check it out. But Jup is silently putting in a bottoming pattern, and I'm expecting a big pump coming up. You want to watch this downtrend line here, and this is the Fibonacci retrace level that you're going to look to take profits. So when a trade goes in your favor, you want to take some off the table. If we get a burst up here, take some off the table and then just move your stop loss to break even. That way it's a winning trade. This thing can really move if it decides to make a huge move. you can go from high to low here, and you're essentially in a crazy alt season. All right, when we get it, if Jup breaks above the previous all-time high at 221, you can expect a move up here to like 272, $3, $3.39, and possibly even $4. Now take this level to level. You don't want to be buying up here, okay, in the middle of a crazy alt season. What you want to do is you want to position early, all right, get in position. That way, if you're long from down here around 48 cents, and we get up into those levels, you're essentially just taking money to the bank, all right? Don't be exit liquidity. If you want more trade setups, be sure to follow because I've got a lot of those coming, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Hey, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Also, click the link in the description. You can join the Financial Freedom Academy email list. We're going to give you free market updates every Wednesday, trading tips, and insider information you don't want to miss. Check it out.